Humans have always been very self-centered when it comes to working with crystals. It's always about what they can do for you, the me thing, healing my emotions, my problem, my sorrow. It's always about that. And it's quite primitive, and it's quite childish. Spiritual work is about giving back. It's about that existence has already given you everything. And the only way to acknowledge that is by giving it. So this is a course in service. It's a study in how to go beyond your own karma and move into a function of spiritual service.